Hello all you brave people out there in Redland. Welcome to our tutorial about working with audio within ClipMeister RD. We start with the clips from a project called Listen Speak. These clips do not have any audio tracks recorded by the camera. The sound, recorded by the sound engineer, comes as PCM WAV files. We now switch to audio and scan for these sound files. Metadata from the files will be processed, and every record shows information about name, recording date, timecode, and duration. WAV files are linked with corresponding clips from the rushes. This is done automatically, by date and timecode. In order to make this work correctly, camera and sound recorder must be linked during the recording. Let's switch to clip list. Every clip, with the corresponding WAV file, is marked green in the WAV column, and shows the name of the file. From rushes, we can also jump directly to the WAV file in the Finder. Sound files can be played in QuickTime, from clip list, rushes, and audio. Let's switch back to audio. This button will multiplex audio from the WAV files into the QuickTime wrappers of the corresponding clips. As long as WAV audio is not disabled in rushes, this will be maintained for every wrapper created. For example, if a new color correction or trim function is applied. Now, we can play our clips with synchronized audio from the WAV files. For the experts, we will examine the new QuickTime wrapper. It contains the video track, referring to the R3D file, the timecode track, and a sound track from the WAV file, recorded by the sound engineer. This works with any combination of channels. Audio and video are perfectly synchronized. It is no longer necessary to do this manually using an editing system. QuickTime wrappers with synchronized PCM audio can be exported in seconds time for batch import into Avid or Final Cut. Please check that other video about QuickTime wrappers, AL files, and batch import. Let's summarize the basic audio workflow with ClipMeister RD. Step 1. Scan your project folder for RED files. Step 2. Scan your audio folder for WAV files. Step 3. Add WAV audio to all QuickTime wrappers with one mouse click. Step 4. Export QuickTime wrappers with synchronized audio for batch import into Avid or Final Cut.